This table may look compact, but it will make a strong impression on you. With its flexible design, you can easily adjust its size and use it in various situations. This is a table with height-adjustable functionality, perfect for any living space, from the living room to the office. This special edition not only features an extension but also comes with rotating support legs and integrated magnets within the extensions, making installation and adjustment quick and easy. It's a perfect product for spaces that require flexibility and convenience. This table can effortlessly convert from a coffee table to a dining table, making it ideal for small apartments or families that need a versatile space for different activities. It offers maximum convenience with its ability to expand in just a few seconds. With just a few simple steps, this table transforms into a larger dining table, perfect for parties or when guests visit, providing ultimate convenience in any situation. Under the stairs in small homes, we often praise the use of this space. If you can take advantage of it, this area can transform into a truly valuable asset, providing both comfort and convenience. A brilliant design by Coes has taken this idea to the next level. Not only do they divide the space under the stairs into smart compartments, but they also integrate a pull-out desk that can be adjusted to suit your needs, helping you maximize your workspace. Additionally, the inclusion of drawers and cabinets in various sizes further enhances the convenience of organizing your belongings. If you're looking for a clever way to store shoes, this hidden shoe cabinet under the stairs is the perfect solution. With its intelligent design, it not only serves to store shoes, but also accommodates luggage, coats, and other items. By utilizing the space under the stairs, you not only keep your home tidy, but also create dedicated corners full of practicality. It's the little details carefully considered that bring a warm, cozy, and truly homely feeling to your family. The Domino Coffee Table, designed by Jan Wichers and Alexander Blomberg, is made from individual modular blocks, each of which can be easily moved and repositioned, allowing you to freely create different shapes and structures that suit your space and needs. The square and rectangular blocks are connected by small pivot points, enabling you to break them into compact side tables for separate use. With its ability to change size and shape, the Domino table is not only suitable for a variety of spaces, but also easily adapts to different functional requirements, from serving as a coffee table, a work desk, to hosting gatherings with friends. The table also features smart storage space beneath each block, allowing you to store small items like books, remote controls, or decorative objects without compromising the aesthetic of your living space. With the Domino Coffee Table, everyone can create their own unique style, transforming their living space into a dynamic, functional, and inspiring environment. Take a moment to admire the award-winning folding table, a refined design by Giancarlo P. Crafted from a high-quality stainless steel and cast aluminum frame, this remarkable piece also features a sleek 4-piece black fiberglass tabletop. Its intelligent design allows the table to be folded and positioned in countless ways, fitting seamlessly into any corner of the home. Exceptionally sturdy, it is perfect for dining, reading, or any activity, and can be neatly folded away when not in use, saving valuable space. This table reflects the finest craftsmanship from Italy and is the perfect addition to any modern living space, where creativity and practicality are equally valued. Next, we have the unique flip-flap dining table by Dand, a true gem from the 1960s, made in Denmark. With its round teak tabletop, this table features 4 internal slides that extend and flip clockwise, allowing it to transition from a compact-sized seating 4 to a spacious dining table that comfortably accommodates up to 8 guests. With just one motion, the table expands, transforming your dining area into the perfect setting for gathering, sharing meals, and creating lasting memories. The Kitchen Box is a true design marvel, offering the perfect solution for those living in modern, space-conscious environments. With its sleek melamine and lacquered finishes, it combines style with practicality. The modular design features a revolving door that opens like a book, revealing a fully functional kitchen when needed and concealing it when not in use. The smart fold-away mechanism is ideal for those who want a luxurious kitchen without sacrificing precious space. In addition, the kitchen box provides hidden storage for all your essential kitchen items, while also serving as a space for entertainment, TV watching, studying, and leisure. Even when the door is closed, the fold-out table still offers additional space for gatherings with friends or working. It doesn't have to be placed in the bedroom. No matter where it's located, the kitchen box maximizes its potential without taking up too much space. You'll have a fully functional area to meet your needs for eating, sleeping, and relaxing. Kumo offers a collection of custom furniture that redefines the way you think about living and working spaces. Kumo transforms any environment with unparalleled elegance, comfort, and functionality. From storage and seating solutions to multi-purpose sleeping and study areas, all seamlessly integrated with smart accessibility features. Crafted to be user-friendly, combining classic mechanical designs with a modern aesthetic. Whether it's a child's bedroom, a luxurious master bedroom, or a sophisticated living room, Kumo furniture easily adapts to your needs. From bedrooms to meeting rooms and living rooms to guest rooms, the possibilities are endless with smart, innovative design. Many multifunctional products can be operated manually, but there are also automated options, offering the ultimate in convenience and luxury. Homes and offices are no longer limited by traditional constraints. Can you fit a large sofa and a bed in your room? With Kumo's transformative design, the dilemma is solved. Say goodbye to choosing between a desk or a sleeping area. Now you can have it all. Introducing the Magico Multifunctional Sofa, arguably the most versatile piece of furniture you'll ever own. If Legos were furniture, this would be it. It starts with a simple modular block, sleek, minimal, and ready for transformation. Stack the blocks side by side, securing them with a hook and L-shaped nut. And in moments, you've created a solid base. Place a cushion on top, and voila, you have a sturdy stool, perfect for extra seating or an accent piece. But why stop there? With just a few simple steps, the Magico becomes a full-sized sofa. Attach a backrest, and instantly, it transforms into a comfortable seating arrangement. Hosting a gathering but running short on seating? No problem. Spread out the cushions, pull out the legs, and seamlessly connect them to create more spots for your guests to relax. And if the evening calls for an extra bed, the Magico adapts once again, effortlessly turning the cushions into single beds, offering a perfect solution for last-minute guests. The Magico isn't just furniture, it's a game changer.